Hey everybody, it's Neil and I'm going to show you guys, this one here is the Domica submersible water pump. I got this here for my aquaponic tower, and I do have the same one, so if you've seen any of my other videos about my tower, it'll be that. So I'm just going to show you all the pieces and parts in it and show you kind of basically how it works. I'll plug it in even so you can see what it sounds like just on without any water. But so in the box you get some instructions and you get the pump. Basically here, sorry about some of these dogs in the background. You get the pump and you get this, this one here is the one that was too big for my, my tube, but what's cool is it screws off. Oh, actually it pulled off, I forgot. And then you can plug in this other one here. So this is the perfect size for my, my piping. So, and it, you know, and it, even though it pushes on, it's hard to get off, you know, it's like, it's on really good. So it stays on very strongly. And then we have the water goes in through here, and you can turn this to the water flow for it to squirt out a lot or a little. On my pump, I have it set for a lot right now because I'm going up about 6.5 feet tall, so it's got to go pretty far. But I'll show you guys what it sounds like when I plug it in here. Let me turn on some AC power, and I will plug this in. So we are, oh, I forgot to say, and it has the little feet on the bottom. Did I turn the AC on? It says DC's on. Do I have to hold it? There we go. AC's on. Up and there. Now it's going. You can barely hear it. I don't know. Well, probably if I put it on there, it'll vibrate. But it barely makes any noise. So it's a super cool pump. That's what I like about it is I keep it in my office, and the only thing I hear is the water dripping down, so that's what I like it for. And it's got the suction, so it stays on the bottom of the bottom of my planters to hold the yeah, so it doesn't float up in the water. And it's really good, and I like the way it's this side suction. I had gotten the bottom suction one once, and that was no good because it accumulates goop on the bottom, so it was just starting to send the goop up, and then it got clogged. So the side suction, the water going in, is what I prefer. And let's see, it's 15 watt, 220 GPH. So I try to stay over 200 for my stuff, so works for me. So I'm going to say this is a nice little pump, the Domica submersible water pump. And you can see even it shows it on here for that, you know, it's got it for those. I mean, it's very nice. You know, I use it for my, you know, my aquaponics. That's funny, they have a picture of aquaponics on there as well. So, works for me. So, thumbs up. The link's in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.